Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Purur. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The High Court has dismissed the anticipatory bail application filed by disqualified Sarpanch of Village Panchayat of Arpura Nagoa, Roshan Redkar, in Birch fire case registered by Anjuna Police Station. Earlier, his anticipatory bail application was also rejected by the Mapsa Additional Sessions Court, but Anjuna Police till date has failed to arrest him. Now it is evident that his role is crucial in the case, and now his custodial interrogation is required in the case. During the arguments before the High Court opposing the anticipatory bail plea of Roshan Redkar, the prosecution had contended that first, Roshan Redkar illegally issued trade license without obtaining the requisite documents to the Birch. And later on, when it came to know that Birch is running into an illegal structure, Panchayat, especially the Sarpanch Roshan Redkar, did not take the appropriate action to demolish that very structure. Though pleading for the anticipatory bail, Roshan Redkar had contended that once the Panchayat came to know that Birch is running in an illegal structure, Panchayat issued demolition order, but that was stayed by the competent authority, and the Panchayat always tried to demolish that. Opposing the anticipatory bail plea of Roshan Redkar, the prosecution contended that what was stopping to the Panchayat from sealing the Birch, which was running without trade license, without occupancy certificate in an illegal structure. Now, as the High Court has dismissed the anticipatory bail plea of Roshan Redkar, he has two options. Either he has to surrender before the Anjuna Police for the custodial interrogation, or he has to approach the Supreme Court seeking anticipatory bail in this matter. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.